Good afternoon, train fans, and my special train fans, Julian and Ellie. I'm just back from a small train show at the Nur Shrine Center in Newcastle, Delaware. I try to go there whenever I can because, well, it's very close to where I live, and I usually find something of interest there. And I did today, and as you can see, I picked up two cars at the show. The one on the top is a hopper car, a two-bay hopper car. I'll give you a little closer look at it there. It's a two-bay coal hopper car from Central New Jersey, or Jersey Central Lines, and it's made by Atlas under their line Industrial Rail. I was able to pick this car up, brand new condition, very, very nice shape, as you can see. And it's a very nice car. It's well detailed. It has metal trucks, metal wheels, and it has a pretty realistic looking coal load that you can see there. The second car that I picked up, and I'm going to give you a closer look once I unbox it, is I'm always looking for these Lionel Aquarium cars. They've been making aquarium cars for a very long time. I think they started actually in the 1950s, and there are various versions of these cars. Some of them have motors in them where the display of fish or whatever happens to be in the aquarium car that's moving is made to have motion because of the motor that rotates a acetate film that runs around with pictures of whatever happens to be featured by the car. And then in later versions of these cars, the motion of the film strip was made by the wheels themselves. So that means that the motion of the fish in the car would only move when the car was moving. If the car was equipped with a motor, then the fish would be moving regardless of whether the car was moving or not, as long as there was track power being applied to the car. So anyway, this car is still in the box. I haven't taken it out yet. I'm not going to bore you with the unboxing of a Lionel car coming out of a Lionel box. The other feature I would mention here is this car also is a sound car. So it's supposed to emit the sounds that one might hear if you're in an aquarium. And I'm really curious to hear what that sounds like. So I'm very anxious to unbox this car, and let's get it out of there and on the track and test it. So we'll see that in the next segment of the video. See you again soon. Stand by.